Hey everybody, it's Nate Charles from Charles International Law. Welcome back for another episode of the Rule of Law Brief. Today's a really special one. I want to take a minute to share some really great news. Alana Wade is returning to Charles International Law, and this time she's coming back as a full-fledged associate attorney. For those of you who have been following us for a while, you'll remember that Alana was with us before this firm was even really a firm, back when we were still trying to find our footing as an upstart law practice. She was part of the team when we were just building this up from the ground, and even back then she stood out for her grit, her brains, and her willingness to just dive in and get things done, sometimes literally. Before she became a lawyer, Alana was actually a commercial hardhat diver, the kind of work where you're underwater in heavy gear doing tough, dangerous jobs most people wouldn't dream of taking on. That tells you a lot about who she is, but it goes deeper than that. A few years ago, Alana literally dropped everything she was doing, flew to Poland, and started running food convoys into Ukraine, sometimes even crossing the border herself into areas that were under fire around Kharkiv, helping civilians trapped by the Russian invasion. That's the kind of courage and conviction that defines her. So today, we're thrilled that she's back, this time as an attorney, and she'll be taking the lead on her operations in Chicago, Indianapolis, and Detroit. So Alana, welcome home. We're proud of you, and we're excited for everything that's ahead. If you'd like to follow along with what we're building, the cases, the causes, and the people who make it all happen, you can find us at charlesinternationallaw.com and on Substack. Thanks for watching.